You were all I'm living for. I will love you
My
even
voice
more.
got...
I will keep the pain inside my soul.
My God.
'90s yan eh.
True.
Magka-
Magkats tayo.
Oo, syempre. Nung magkasama pa tayo, nagtotoo ng Bruce ba ako niyan?
Medyo hindi na.
Hindi na, no?
Sa era na yun.
Ano yung Angelo De Leon na yan?
Oo, true.
Tama. So guys, nakabitan na tayo ng solar. Babalitaan namin kayo. I'm so excited for my next month bill.
Oo nga.
30,000 ang ating bill this month. So sana, hopefully, kasi nakabitan na tayo ng solar, eh bumaba na siya.
Ito kanta yung nire-request na.
What's that?
Hello? Check, sound check.
Ano ba yan?
Kakanta ka. Ay, kayo po. Joe Old With You, female key. Oh, dahil mga nagre-request na ito kanina.
Di ba may ganyan si Tony?
Oo, Tagalog.
Ang cute doon.
Oo. Kasama kang tumanda.
Make you smile whenever you're sad. Carry you around when your trust is bad. All I wanna do is grow old with you. I'll get you medicine when your tummy aches. Build you a fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you, kiss you, give you my cold when you are cold. Need you, feed you, I even let you hold the remote control. So let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. But you to bed when you had too much to drink. I could be so nice, growing old with you. I grow old with you.
With who?
With you?
Oh, gusto mo na? Ano ba ito?
Game, kantahin natin, go.
Yun naman yung jam natin ng kabataan.
Wow! Pero mas... Yes.
MYMP. Anina.
Go. Ay, be, kasi loading eh. Internet namin, guys.
Alam niyo ba to? I'm sure.
My love, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue. It's hard living you where I never wanted you to.
Sorry.
Self-denial is a game, it's strange, I never would have wanted till there was you.
Mali. O, kaya mo na yan, te. Kaya mo na yan, T.
Cause I have learned to love is beyond belief.
You can imagine more, it clears the more. I gotta let you go. Kasabay lang ako, di ko siya kabisado eh. Cause when I don't understand, is why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know where was my deal, I couldn't just deny the truth and lie. But why am I the only one standing stranded on? Aww, ganda! Thank you! Ang cute naman.
Carry mo to?
Ano yan?
Sway or...
Bahala ka, basta kaya mo kaya, kakayanin ko.
Teka, ano tayo?
Hi everybody! Hi, people of the Philippines. Hi hi people of the Philippines.
Good morning,
Isang mataas. Ay, Abby, maka-request ka naman, B. Di kami singer, B.
Share my life.
Di kami singer, B.
Take me for what I am. 'Cause I never change all my colors for you. Loading pa.
Sabi, parang kanta lang, nilunok ko ang lahat. Ay, nilunok ko ang lahat. Ang mga
Sinabi ko
Kantay mo nga yun.
na ako'y hindi na iibig.
Sa iyo. Kantay. Uy, nung bata pa ako, parang naalala ko, kinakanta mo yun. Kinakanta natin. Nilunok kong lahat. Dali.
Actually, yun lang part na yung alam ko doon.
Try nga natin nga, yun lang din ang alam ko doon. Check
Yun
natin.
na yun.
Hindi nilunok ko ang lahat. Guys, alam niyo ba yung nilunok ko ang
Hindi
lahat?
na kapela na lang yun.
Hindi, try mo. Dali, check lang natin yung lyrics. Hindi ko din alam. Guys, alam niyo ba yung nilunok ko ang lahat? Ng mga sinabi ko. Dali, itry natin.
Alam mo pa, alam mo pa.
Nilunok si Lina at... Oh, alam!
Ay! Alam niya!
Ay, kinakanta natin dati yung
At
kasinungaling.
saka, NI ba lang din ako lumabas na dito sa YouTube. So, sinusearch na yan dati.
Ay, di oh! Ngayon ko pa lang yung i-check kakantahin, itry. Ngayon pa lang, just now.
Okay, dahil ni-request mo, sige, ano mo.
Hindi naman nila na-request
Ay,
sa Blue Up yan nakita. Abby, kung makaano ka ng mataas dyan ha.
Alam, tama kasi Nina.
Oh, di ba si Lina?
Isip.
Okay, everybody, nilunok ko ang lahat. Dalawa tayo, T.
Huwag kasi nagkasalita ng kapos, di ba?
Nilunok kong lahat
At hindi nagdahilan.
Parang ang pangit! Akala ko sinabi. Ay, nanghiya sa libdib.
Nag-ibig kita. Kahit na batid ko na mayroon kang iba. Pag-ibig ko, kinakapalang mo na
Sinta. Hindi ko alam, B. Parang, ano
Kay
naman?
bait!
Kay bait ng aking nadama. Ng...
Aking lunukin.
Ano ba?
Ang hiya ko sinta. Ang pagtawa at paglibak ay walang halaga.
Ay!
Pinita, lumini. Din kita.
Yan na.
Nilunok kong lahat.
Ang mga sinabi ko na ako'y hindi iibig sa isang katulad mo. Hindi na alam ko.
Nunok kong lahat. Ang mga sinabi ko.
At ngayon ako'y umibig sa iyo.
Yan na.
Kaya
Malagkit mong tingin ay nabihag ako. Kay haba na panahong dulot mo. Panahon. Ako
God! Ng lahat!
ay mag-ibig kong ito. Kahit nung una'y ayaw ko sa'yo.
Okay, go everybody!
Nilunok kong lahat.
Ang mga sinabi ko na ako'y hindi iibig sa isang katulad mo. Nilunok kong lahat ang sinabi ko. Ngayon ako'y umibig sa iyo.
Nilunok kong lahat.
Ang mga sinabi ko na ngayon ako'y ay, cute. Ay, ang ganda naman. Ang kaso ba't ang bilis na matanggal ng mga ano, crown?
Kong lahat. Palagay naman ng crown dyan, oh.
Palagay naman kami ng crown.
Parang nakakaano. Makakamiss you.
Isang red horse daw. Ilabas na red horse na. Charot.
Sa kasisig.
Ay, oo nga.
Sisig.
Ay, masarap nga, Bi.
Yung crispy yan.
Ay, oo nga. Parang order tayo. Gusto mo ba? Ayaw mo.
Gusto.
Eh,
Saan?
order
Sa
tayo.
Chili's.
Sige, masarap.
Sisig o pork sisig?
Oh!
Wala, alam mo, paano na masarap na sisig?
Natawa ako sa'yo, Bi.
Yung masarap yung crispy, you know?
Para tayong baliw.
Wala pang alak. Yung sabi ko, wala pang alak. Ano? Tama, natural high.
Bi, ano na nangyari sa amin? Naglolokohan lang kami dito. Ngayon, order na kami ng pagkain.
Kakabuyo nyo yan eh. Kayo kasi. Eh,
No.
alam mo naman, mabilis kaming mabuyo, di ba?
Ano ba yan? Crispy sisig sa angka. Ay! Naku. Saan ba may crispy sisig? Ayan. Ano gusto mo?
Ay, ano, Pats. Tiga mo nga yung Pats kung nandyan saan. Pats. Ang sarap dyan ng
Pats?
sisig. Oo. Crispy yung sisig din.
Pat-pats kansi?
Oo.
Ito!
Sarap din yung, oo.
Di ba guys?
Saluan lang.
Ito na kami. Ano gusto mo? Di ba guys? Ito na kami
Sisig
dalawa.
ng pecho. Sisig ng pecho! Gusto ng pecho! Tapos, garlic rice. Nagsimula lang sa sisig. Kasi naman may pumulo ng red horse. Kasi ako bang bagay sa red horse, sisig.
Aray ko! Nagsimula. Nagsimula.
Wala naman itong comment sa susunod ng mga red horse.
Ano na, Bi? Magano?
Nakakasip kami ng pagkain.
Ano ba yan? Naglulukuhan lang kami. Ngayon magpepetso pa kami. Ay.
Ay naku, dahil dyan, eto. Kakantahan na namin eh.
Ano ba yan? Grabe na to, Bi. Tingnan mo, mapapa-order na rin kayo, guys. Para sabay-sabay tayo kumain. Ito ba? Ito ba yung gusto mo?
Sisig ka? Oo, yan. Sisig po. You were just part of a dream.
Petso.
Nothing more, so it seemed. But my love couldn't wait much longer.
Oh!
And forget the picture of your smile.
Ano?
'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. Every little smile, that special smile, the twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Kanta ka?
Ba't ako?
Sumalo ka na. Then I love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile, you take my breath away. So hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. And get closer, you and I. Oh, go. Sino next? Kanta ka.
Ha?
Ano gusto mo?
Kumain dyan.
Buday. Make it with you.
Make it.
Make it with you.
Ay,
Okay.
bigat mo. Bin na. Band ba yan?
Band yan.
Ikaw po pala yun.
Ayun,
Mama,
dancing
next
lang.
song. Hindi ko mabasa, guys. Gapahingi pa ako.
Sure po.
Jello, kumalaya lang ako.
Kilig
Later
sa-
na yan, guys.
Killing me softly. Gusto mo?
Sige, go. Dala
Go,
tayo,
go.
ha? Basta kaya mo, lahat ng kaya mo ilagay mo.
Dear Ma.
Strumming my pain.
Ay, yan na to.
Konti lang, ha?
Ay.
Yes.
And she's back. Wish to see. On wish.
Passenger seat. Later. Favorite namin ng dati.
Oo nga.
Nakakaano naman ng nostalgia. Selos, mamaya.
I heard his guitar. I heard he had his time. And so I came to see him and listen for a while.
Wow, may ganon.
And there he was, this young boy, a stranger to my eyes, strumming my pain with his fingers,
One time.
singing my life with his words,
Two time.
killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song.
Filled of flush with fever, embarrassed by the crowd. I felt him found by letters and read each one out loud. Go you.
I'll pray that he would finish, but he just kept right on, strumming a pen with his fingers,
One time.
singing my life with his words,
Two time.
killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. La 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 la. Oh, la la. Oh.
Balik mo na sa hotel. Balik mo na sa hotel.
Pwede ako sa lobby?
Oo.
Guys, pwede na ba ako kumanta sa lobby ng hotel?
Balik mo kanta na to eh. You got this stone in my pen with his finger. One time.
Singing my life with his words,
Two time.
killing me softly with his song.
Me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly.
Chris! Ba't mukhang haggard daw si Chris? Grabe naman kayo, si Jello yan.
Iba.
Grabe naman kayo, fresh si
Ako
Jello.
yung Chris na pirated version.
Grabe ka naman kay
Pirated
Jello.
version.
Siya siya haggard.
Anong next song?
Ayan,
Alam mo yan?
share lang tayo.
Actually,
Hindi kaya mo?
Hindi ko masyado kabisado. Pero go.
Hindi ko din kami sa ano.
It doesn't make
Ano tayo ito eh? K100 yung ano hula.
Kaya naman natin. It's not just one of us, just a stranger, all of us, trying to make his way. Ano? Kaya mo ba yung intro? Kaya papasok to? If God had a name, what would it be and what you call it to his face? If you were faced with him and all his glory, what would you ask if you had just one question? And yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if that's just one of us? Alam ko sabay. Just
Ay.
as love like one of us.
Just a stranger on the bus, trying to make his way home. If God had a face, what would it look like and want to say? It seemed that you would have to believe in things like heaven and Jesus and saints.
Hindi ko kabisado.
Yeah, God is great. Yeah, God is good. Yeah. What if God was one of us? Just as love like one of us. Just a stranger all about, trying to make his way home.
Trying to make his way home.
Ang cute ni Jello. Oy, sorry.
Uy, grabe naman! Follow nyo ako kung talagang kita ko.
Uy, ano daw nangyari kay Chris Lore? Hindi nga si Chris.
Mali!
Ano, magbubukas ba tayo ng ilaw? Grabe ka naman, B.
After all daw, alam ba yun? After all the stars.
Ano yan?
Para sa'yo. Since mention, sabi ka Regine.
Ay, Regine.
So mag-medley tayo ng ano yun. Go.
Pag-islan ang ulan, unti-unting pumapata sa mga halaman at mga bulaklak.
Bulak-bulak.
Tumasan ng galing, unti-unting bumabalo sa buong paligid.
Kaya mo na yan, B.
Bulak.
Mas Regine ka eh.
Ang taas na for me. Kasabay ng ulan.
Oh.
Hindi ko lang.
Diba?
Joke lang.
Ayan tayo eh. Niloloko tayo ni Jello.
Alam muna tayo ng ibang ano.
Ba't puro acoustic yung pinili mo?
Para lang tayong nasa, sa beach shore, ganyan. Tapos tayo pinapakinggan sa restaurant. So if you're lost, you can look and you will find us time after time. Go.
Lying in bed at the club, thinking circles, confusion is nothing new. Flashback, warm nights, almost like behind. Secret memories, time after time. You picture me and you're calling to me. I can't hear what you said, and you say go slow. I fall behind. I said you had the one, but you lost it. You will find me time after time. Waiting, time after time. If you fall, I'll catch you. I'll be waiting.
Stupid love, huwag muna yan guys.
Alam na kayo na ako acoustic, pasik-pasik, di ba?
Nakita
Stupid
niyo?
lang.
Kaya nga guys, nagpapasweet kami acoustic oh. Alam mo yan?
Para sa'yo yan.
Eh, yan na naman tayo. Hindi ko alam
Taas.
yung
Hindi mo alam yan?
Huwag na tayo mag-acoustic.
Sige.
Masyadong mababa. Wah!
Wow!
Eme. Eme lang. So, meron tayong 3,400. Si Dada. Hi, Dada. Nasa si Dada. Wala din natin lang nasa si Dada. Busy.
Ito.
Ikaw.
Taas na yun. Sa simula lang ako, ikaw na mag-ano ko.
Alam mo ba yung stupid love, Je? Yung
Oo,
stupid love.
oo.
Alam mo din yung ano, di karapat dapat. Yes! Guys, di karapat dapat. Di karapat dapat. Yan. Ay, yan mga kantay natin. Yung mga ano. Rap.
Sige. Get through one night without you. If I had to live without you. What kind of... Charot, go ahead.
Oh, I need you in my arms and you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I live without you? There'll be no sun in my sky. There'll be no in my life. There'll be no world left for me and I. Baby, I don't know what I would do. I'll be lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything real in my life. And tell me now, how do I live without you? I want to know, how do I breathe without you? If you ever go, how do I ever survive? How do I, oh how do I live
So how do I live?
Pinahirapan mo, Obi. Hindi ko yan nakakanta.
Sabi mo, ayaw mo ng acoustic, diba? Eto. Okay, ito.
Ano pa ba yung mga dating ginagawa? Ano nga yun? If I'm not in love.
Ayun.
Ay, di ba? Ganda natin yung dati, B. If I'm not in love with you, what is this I'm going through? Di ba? Tonight. And if this heart is lying, why is my heart aching? To hold your foot. Sabi.
Bakit kaya if I'm not in love with you?
Hindi, naalala ko yung mga inakanta natin dati. Dapat yun yung kantahin natin.
Oh, why in every fantasy do I feel your arms embracing me?
1,000 na viewers. Ano daw?
New device connected.
Wow, may 4,000 viewers na tayo. Kahit kantahan lang, okay na yan to build connection.
Lovers lost in sweet desire.
Ano yan? Okay, sorry guys, may commercial tayo. Dahil wala tayong pang premium.
Energy.
Sobrang face card ko.
My carbs, protein, fiber, vitamins,
Queen of the night!
I got the stuff that you want. I got the thing that you need. I got more than enough to get you now to be. Cause I'm the
Queen of the night! Queen of the night!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Make no difference.
Sorry na guys. Sorry na guys. Sorry na.
Wala pang alak. Sisig pa lang to ah.
Wala pa kaming alak niyan. Ay, wala pang alak. Wala pang ano, sisig.
Sisig pa lang to.
Ay.
What is this I'm going through tonight? And if my heart is lying, then what should I believe in? What I'm crazy?
Ano ba yan?
Every time I think about you, baby, why as you approach the line, I do. If I'm not in love,
Parang mali. Hindi ko ata alam yung kanta. Kalimutan ko. Kokuli ba yan?
Ano kay Jen yung
Kokuli ba yan?
Iba yun. Someone to love.
Ah, iba din to. Ah, kokuli tayo, B.
Fall in love.
Ah, pwede rin naman. Kahit ano. Ayaw nga.
And if I don't need your
Ano pala to?
touch, why do I miss you so much? Alam mo to.
Chesa na lang tayo niyan. Tanong.
if it's just infatuation, then why is my heart aching to hold you forever? Give part of me you thought I'd never give again to someone I can lose.
Hindi ko alam talaga, B. Di ba natin lapit lang alam ko. Oh, why in every fantasy do I feel your arms embracing me like love is love? Parang mali.
Sweet desire.
Wala na lang mic.
Ito, alam mo.
Ano yan?
Wine drinks and wine.
Ano? Alam ko. Yes, yes. Alam ko yan.
Ano ba?
Di ko pala alam yun, guys.
Like a little baby. Forevermore daw.
Forevermore.